Hi, I'm Fairuz Zainal Arif and I'm doing my Bachelor of Science for Project and Facilities Management. This video is made to answer assignment question number 2 for Building Design Management. The question are: design a new building as a new branch of the proposed courier services company that can enhance the company revenue and fulfill the vision and mission of the company, thus satisfy its customers. What are courier services company? A courier are distinguished from ordinary mail services by features such as speed, security tracking, capabilities, specialization, and individualization of express service. As a premium service, couriers are usually more expensive than standard mail services, and their use is normally limited to packages or specialization where one or more of these features are considered important enough to warrant the cost. Before we go further into details, I would like to do some introduction of these slides. This part of study includes design process. It includes program phase, conceptual phase, design and development phase, and contract document phase. It will further include a proposed idea for the new building that will be constructed in the new location, and it will also be further discussed how the design process can be made innovative and attractive so that it can gain maximum customer satisfaction. A literature review has been conducted on the design process, which include the program phase, the schematic or conceptual phase, design development phase, contract document phase, construction phase, handover phase, and facility management phase. In the program phase, the company will focus on its target market and will make strategies to attract the target market. This will be done by conducting a survey on the consumers so that their preferences can be identified. In the schematic or conceptual phase, the schematic design is considered as the first step of constructing a building. In this step, the company will gain knowledge about the requirements of the customers. At this stage, the company has to roughly draw or sketch to illustrate the basic structure of the building. The company also will make an appropriate budget that will help in their promotion process. The design development phase includes a summarized result of schematic design and take it one step further. In the design and development phase, the company should design their strategies in such way that they can gain maximum numbers of sales and achieve high revenue. The company will also make a proper implementation of their budget so that they do not have cash flow problems. The designs are finalized from the available options for doors, window, elevation, floors, and ceiling. In the contract document phase, once the company as well as the client are comfortable with the sketch or drawing of the building, a contract is prepared. A contract document needs to be prepared in order to mention the important points related with the building construction. The document contains a more detailed diagram of building outline mentioning each and every detail of the structure. The contract facilitates the process of taking permission from the Central Construction Office so that the business can commence with its plans. The construction phase is the most important phase of the business as the plans are implemented to produce the final output. At this stage, the building is constructed according to the proposed plan and procedures. Raw materials are purchased according to the estimated budgets and used in the process of construction. The construction phase is most time-consuming step and can take 2 to 4 years depending upon the size of building. The construction of the building starts from ground floor to top floor, including each of small units such as windows and door. Water connection and drainage system is also arranged during the construction phase. The last phase of the process includes handing over to the constructed building to the client with all necessary documents. A final inspection of the building is performed to understand whether there is any issue in the constructed building or not. A practical completion certificate is issued to the client, who means the building has successfully completed. The end user is trained with the ways of using the building, and transfer of insurance is done from the contractor to the client. The phase of handing over is performed after addressing all the defects and issues, if any. The proposal of the new building. A proposal must be presented by the company mentioning the business process as well as the needs of both internal and external customers. The proposal of the new buildings consists of an administration office, service counter, and a warehouse. Administration office is required for each and every business in order to create coordination among the activities performed in all branches, and an administration office provides innovation, leadership, and social benefits. Moreover, an administration office helps in managing change, achieving targets, retaining talents, and managing public relations. Thus, the administration office need to be selected in such a region which has an easy access to transportation and courier services. The selected administration office for the building will be located in the Glamoury Industrial Park, Malaysia. The location will be convenient for the client for travelling and operation function. The administration office will fulfill the external and internal needs of the customers. Providing the client with a service counter is important to enhance the quality of business. The company needs to make provision for the service counter where the client can contact the company for any issue they face. The service counter will be located in the administration office where the client can contact for any queries in relation with the service. The service counter will also fulfill the external and internal needs of the customer, such as tracking services, customer queries, and other services. A warehouse is required by the business to store the inventory of the company. Warehouse will be there with the administration office, which will help the business to have accessibility with. Warehouse plays an important role in managing the level of inventory a business possesses. Moreover, the warehouse provides tracking inventories and provide customer service. For instance, the product ordered by the customer are delivered or not is checked. It indirectly increases the productivity of the company. The warehouse system can be enhanced with the help of ERP integration business process. So what are the impact of the new buildings? The new building creates an impact to the user in several ways, which includes more attractive look and representation. The new building reduces the effort of the customer so that they are getting courier services in their local region. The new building has been constructed with better facilities such as warehouse and services counter. The customer are getting more efficient service due to way which they are providing positive response. In conclusion, all the phases of building construction have been discussed effectively step by step, mentioning the functions it involves. The administration office of the building has been selected in the Glamoury Industrial Park, Malaysia. A contract document has been prepared mentioning the points of mutual understanding related with the construction. The basis of selection is its accessibility to several facilities such as transportation. The building will also provide a service such as warehouse, counter services, administration, office to ease the effort of the customers. The new building also creates a positive impact of a customer being more presentable. So this is the end of my slides, and I would like to thank you for your time and effort to go through my video, and I hope that you have a nice day. Thank you very much.